how to add wind and air quality weather widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 17 series. First, let's return back to the home screen. So on the home screen, press on the side button to lock the screen. Now on the lock screen, touch and hold. Then we tap on the customize button at the bottom. After that, you can add the widget to the top or the bottom panel. Here I tap on the bottom panel, and in the widget list, scroll down and tap on weather. From here, we swipe across and select whether you want to add in the wind or the air quality widget. So let's say I want to add in the wind widget, so tap on it, and I will add in the wind widget. Here you can also add in the air quality widget to the panel. And then close it, and then tap at the top here, and then tap on done, then tap on a blank spot to go back to your lock screen. And that's it. On the lock screen now, it shows the air quality and the wind speed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.